Hey guys, it's been a week almost since the track day, and one thing to note about track days is after track days it's really good to just check everything and change all your fluids, because on the track day it's heated up, you've thrashed the car full send for who knows how many laps. I did like 70 laps, so it's good to change those things, especially my gearbox. My gearbox was not fried, but it overheated a lot and it needed a lot of time to cool down, a lot of cool down laps, so it's always good to change it because my car is a daily car. I use it every single day, use it for work, use it for everything. So to keep the car in running order, always good to change your fluids after a good thrashing. Let's get the car in, jacked up, and let's start. Now that the car is all set up, let's have a look at what we're going to do today. So today we are going to be doing oil change, oil filter, spark plugs, and CVT fluid. I did recently do my oil and oil filter, but a track day, you know, should always change it afterwards just to make sure everything's running, because I do daily drive this. Spark plugs, the spark plugs have not been changed since I owned the car, so I'm definitely going to change that. And fluid, I've changed the fluid once. I think that was 30,000 Ks ago, but because of the track day I really want to change it again because it was heating up a lot on the track, so definitely want to change that. The filters, no, the filters are still good because again it was only 30,000 Ks ago, and you're supposed to change these every like 190 to 100,000 Ks, so we're good. We'll get into it. First I want to do the oil and oil filter, and then while we're under there we'll do the CVT fluid, and then we'll finish up with the spark plugs. Alright, let's go! Oil and oil filter out. Let's have a look. There's still 4 liters came out, so that's perfect because we put 4 liters in. It's good we didn't lose any oil and there's no oil leaks. Now we're gonna put the new oil in and all the new filter in, close it up, and move on to the box. Now just remove the cap for the CVT fluid. Now I'm going to drain it from the bottom. Let's go. As you can see over here, this is my box. This is the sump for it, and this is the ball I got to take out. And oil will drop. Let the oil drop. Same thing for the engine oil. Just let it drop, let it go out, and then if it's dirty, just clean it all up, and put the oil back in. Let's go. Just got the first spark plug out, and look at the difference. That's a brand new one, this one, brand new, and this is the one that came out of the car. Look at that. Wow. And we are done. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Got the spark plugs in, new oil in, new tranny fluid in, everything's happy. No leaks, all plugged up. She's happy again. Oh yeah. So originally I wanted to make a better video and talk about the track and the track day experience, but there is a lot to talk about in that, so I'm gonna leave that for another video. Probably after the track day video I'll have a talk about that one, and that one's just the track day experience and how the lands are wet and what happened, because there were things that happened. Like, I'll just tell you one thing right now as a bombshell. My iDrive throttle controller, yeah, that died on the track, and I've got the GoPro footage of that. When it died, it just died, it stopped working. I'm not sure why it stopped working, but that's an investigation to make, and I'll leave that for the next video. See you guys, thanks for watching.